Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet an ear warmer headband. I'm using 1 skein of Red Heart's Heat Wave yarn and a size H hook. To begin, leave an 8-inch tail for sewing later. And start with the chain 3. We're going to do foundation double crochet stitches. We're not going to count the initial chain 3 as a stitch in this pattern. Insert into the first chain, yarn over, and take off 1 loop. Yarn over, 2 loops. Yarn over and take off the last 2 loops. I'll show this again. Insert under both loops of the last chain that was made. Create a new chain. Then make a double crochet. And once again. You will continue this for the circumference of the headband. For young children, I make about 48 stitches. Older child, about 58 stitches, and a teen or an adult, about 66 stitches. You can do any number of stitches as long as it's an even number. We're going to join this strip now. Ensure it is not twisted, then slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. We'll sew that little gap below later. For round 2, we're going to start with the front post double crochet. And then the next stitch, a regular double crochet. Continue alternating the stitches. Front post double crochet, then a double crochet around this round. At the end, slip stitch to the top of the chain. For round 3, we're going to do just the opposite. Start with the regular double crochet. Then a front post double crochet. Then a regular double crochet, and finally a front post double crochet. And slip stitch at the end. For round 4, we just repeat round 2. Front post and then regular double crochet. Keep alternating row 2 and then row 3 for the suggested height. For my adult headband, I am making 8 rounds, but you can make more or less rounds if you wish. Fasten off, leaving about 15 inches of a tail end for sewing. Next, go back to that starting tail end and sew the little gap that was created on the first round. It's up to you. You can leave the headband like this and just weave in all the ends. Or if you want that little gather in the middle, take the 15-inch tail end and weave it in and out along that chain 3 line. This will cinch it together and create a nice gather in the middle. Pull it tightly. Feel free to weave it through a second time just to ensure the ends won't come undone. Weave in the ends and cut off the excess. If you want, you can wear the gathered section in the middle or off to the side. And that's how I make my ear warmer headband.